It's Friday, so I'm not cooking. Let's go to McDonald's.
I get one of the Minecraft movie meals, the 10-piece nugget, and can I also get one of the Minecraft Happy Meals? All right, Ariel, your total count is
Minecraft meal secured. So my daughter is obsessed with Minecraft, which is the only reason I actually got these meals. So they're actually pretty cute. So the first one, this is the Happy Meal, the 6-piece nugget meal. It comes with like a little pink Minecraft box that has a sheep on the front. It's totally adorable. And then the back of it has like the McDonald's smile, but like Minecraft style. That one is mine. So the one that she has is the 10-piece nugget meal. It is same type of Minecraft box. It's yellow and it says a Minecraft movie only in theaters, I think. And then it's got the McDonald's sign written in like little Minecraft letter. They even have the little McDonald's symbol with Minecraft font, which I thought was so cute. All right, time to see what's actually inside of the boxes. Let's start with the big one first. So she got the 10-piece nugget, which is what she always gets. So it had a medium fry. Of course, they're always all dumped out because it's McDonald's. It's got the little M in the Minecraft font, super cute. Then on the back of it, it has all the little Minecraft symbols from the game and says Minecraft movie. So if your kid's a Minecraft lover, they're gonna know what that is. Then you've got the nuggets, and then of course using that Minecraft font again. And it says, just chicken nuggets, but it's got those little green Minecraft colors. And on the back, of course, advertising the movie, a Minecraft movie. And last but not least, the Minecraft toy that it came with. I wonder what is inside. And then, of course, it's decorated with everything Minecraft to advertise the new movie. Okay, I'm going to see what's in mine. I'm going to assume that it's probably the same thing. Okay, it's got your little Minecraft toy. I'm going to assume it's like a Minecraft toy. It's got a QR code you can scan. Let's see what that's all about. Okay, so you scan your QR code. Let's see what it is exactly. Oh, how cute. It's a Minecraft game. That is so fun. That is honestly a lot cooler than what I thought it was going to be. Way cooler than the toys we used to get in Happy Meals. Even though I guess this is not considered a Happy Meal. It's just a Minecraft movie meal since it's a 10-piece nugget. But still, very, very cool. All right, back to the food. Okay, so you get a small fry. And I guess they don't do anything special. And they also didn't do anything special for the 6-piece nugget box. That's kind of lame, but whatever. So this is the toy that was inside of the 10-piece meal box. It's some kind of Minecraft duck. It's a cute little toy, to add to the meal. Okay, and it also came with this like holographic Minecraft card that matches the toy. Okay, we went straight to scanning the QR code, but this is a toy that was actually inside of my box, inside of the 6-piece nugget box. It's another little Minecraft toy that you can open up and has this little Minecraft figurine. So if someone in your family is into Minecraft, this is definitely a cute little meal going on at McDonald's right now.